How to file annual report for LLC in Texas. For that, first collect necessary details like address and key member information. Go to the Texas Secretary of State's website for online filing. Accurately complete the annual report from with your LLC updates information. Be prepared to pay any filing fees. If available, use the online system to submit the report and make the payment. Save a copy of the report and payment receipts for your records. Note that Texas doesn't have a state income tax for LLCs, but federal and state franchise taxes might apply. Ensure compliance with federal tax requirements, as Texas mainly focuses on federal taxes. Follow these steps. That's how you can file annual report for LLC in Texas.